Hi my darlings, Miriam here of Glam and Posh. Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new, welcome. In today's video I'm going to talk about scarf, and not necessarily a neck scarf even though I'm wearing a neck scarf, but there are many different ways that you can incorporate a scarf into your outfit to kind of elevate your look and make it more fun. So if you are interested, keep on watching. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Without further ado, let's get to it. The most popular way to wear your scarf is around your neck. So here is my scarf, and this is so simple. All you do is put the scarf around your neck and just tie it to one side. Let's see. And since I'm tying my scarf to the left, I like to push my hair back on the left side to bring more attention to the scarf, and I'll bring my hair forward on the right side. So there you have it. Another thing you can do is to bring this to the center. Just make sure both ends are almost the same length, and you make it look all nice and pretty. You can bring your hair forward on both sides. You can push your hair back. Even if you're wearing a ponytail, this is still going to look great, and it's going to elevate your simple black top or white top, any solid color that you might be wearing. You add a little scarf and it instantly changes the whole look. Another great way to incorporate a scarf into your look is actually to put it into your hair. So you can have a half up bun or high bun and then use the scarf to kind of wrap it around your hair. You can use a scarf like this, more slim, or you can use a bigger scarf like this one right here. All you need to do is fold it, and then you can go ahead and wrap it around your hair. I have a whole video on how to create this hairstyle. I'll go ahead and link it up here, and also I will include it in the description box below so you can watch the video. You can also wear your scarf around your wrist, and what you do, you grab one end with two fingers and you go ahead and wrap your scarf. Release this part and you just go ahead and create a knot. If you have someone to help you, it will be a lot easier, but it's not that hard to do it by yourself either. Cute little knot like this. It might be a little hard to do it if you have someone to help you. Obviously, it's so much easier, but I'm sure you can figure it out like I did, and boom. You can also wear your scarf around your bag. All you need to do is kind of wrap it around the handle. So let's see, we're going to pull this through. Then you create a knot. And there you have it. It's so chic, and it adds like a little extra to your bag. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and like my 5 easy ways to incorporate a scarf into your outfit to elevate your look. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the section down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!